we have booked 20% of the used capital. Yes, you have heard it right. So as you know, we have carried forward a position on 8th May 2023 and this is 10th May. When market entered on 8th May, we were on a loss of about 20,000 and yesterday the loss has gone up to negative 32,000 and now today when we look into the market, Banknifty has gone down from 43,350 to 42,823 which took us into the profit. Day before yesterday and yesterday we were not into our profits and today we have seen some good figures as profits in the first 30 or 40 minutes in the market. If you really don't know how to trade in options, then it's better to stay away from the derivative sections because there are high chances that you'll be washing out your capital. So jump right into the video and see how our trades went in the last 2 days. This is 10 a.m. on 10th May 2023 and as you can see here, Banknifty has opened on a 100-point gap around 43,373. I mean, it made a high of 43,373 and then Banknifty moved down by almost 450 points to take a support at this point. So exactly as you can see here, if you remember the previous video that was posted on 8th May, we can see that we have carried forward a position which has which was at a loss of around negative 18,000 or 20,000 at that point. So at this point, Banknifty, day before yesterday on 8th May, Banknifty was consolidating on a range and it tried to give a range shift and again it came back to the range and was consolidating. On next day, that is yesterday, Banknifty opened on a gap up and it tried to move down, but again what happened was on 8th May's range, Banknifty took a support and moved up from that point and again on the second half of the market. So if you ask why I have kept the positions, it is because Banknifty's, this is one good resistance or supply area for Banknifty. Level is not broken, then we can expect Banknifty to come down and the week's range we were expecting around 42,500 to 43,600 to 42,600, which means Banknifty has moved up to 43,500 and yesterday what happened was Banknifty has reached 43. Even though Banknifty closed 43,500, we did not get out of the position. It is because on this supply area, we have gotten a double top which has given a good confirmation, which means on a very good supply area or a resistance zone, if we get a double top, we can expect the market to move down from that point. So what happened is market moved down to touch 43,250 yesterday in the afternoon, but what happened is it again fall down to touch 43,150, but we were not on positive yesterday and as you can see here, market opened by 100 points gap up today and again it fell down to touch 42,800 and it started moving up. So what happened is, this is what our PNL looks like. So we have booked a profit of 16,400. We could have actually booked 25,000 plus, but 250 quantities we have booked more than 50 points, 60 points. So what I would say is, instead of waiting for bigger targets, we can stick on to targets like this. So this is what our PNL looks like now and yes, so this is how the trade looks like. Instead of booking losses, I have kept my position and I have gotten out in very good profits. So the overall value for the trade was just 1 lakh rupees. So the value of the trade was 84,065 and I've sold it for 1,500,000 rupees, which means I have taken more than 20%. I have booked more than 20% of the trade, and that too in 2 days, which is exceptionally well. So this is what I wanted to communicate on this particular day. So Banknifty is expecting a recovery from this point, but until this high is broken, we cannot expect. That is, yes, until this high is not broken and this level is not sustained. I mean, if Banknifty is not sustaining above that level, then we can expect a movement somewhere like this from here, or else moving up from here and a downward movement from here. If this is sustained, we can expect Banknifty to move further up from here. So next week or from tomorrow, we'll give our views on the tomorrow we'll post a pre-market report in Instagram. Please do follow us on Instagram through the link which is mentioned in the description. So stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this, and thanks for watching. Bye.